Oop. It's your first feeding in your high chair. How do you like it? Do you like your high chair? Huh, little piglet? And nummy nummy nums.
That was a good one, Mom.
Nummy nummy nums. Eat up. Don't be laughing. You gotta eat. Nummy num. Mmm. Mmm. Yummy yum. Yummy yum to the tummy tum, huh?
My big boy.
Miss Rosemary feeding you, huh? Huh?
Yep. Okay, we're doing pretty good today, Mom. Yes. Okay, I didn't take it away from you.
I think the high chair is a good thing, huh?
I really don't want your food. Okay. Don't get excited. Miss Rosemary doesn't want it. You can have it. Yeah. I like carrots. Carrots are good for you, but I don't want yours. I'll eat my own. How's that? Miss Rosemary have her own carrots?